So I'm gonna show you how to mount these quick release pins in your soft lures. We got some that I already done, and I'm gonna do this one. You see, I actually cheated a bit and just remove the old pins. But what we do is you find the place where you want the pin, push it into the rubber, same places, like this. And when you made the hole, take it out again, take some super glue, just a bit of super glue on the tip, and you push it into the hole. And you take the other one out, just put a bit of super glue on the tip, push it in, and that's actually it. And that is how I rig my soft lures. How I do it is I make my stingers, so got this small loop, just push it in, just the one that makes sure that it releases very easily every time. You can also push it all the way in, but sometimes I see that when the fish bite, pulls backwards, and you get the crimp in the way, and it's actually harder to get the hooks off. So that's why I just push it in, just one side of the loop, and the same down here. It's pretty hard to see, but I think you get it. And that makes sure every time the fish bites, it releases very quickly. Yeah, that is how I rig my soft lures. So the whole point is with this quick release system is to somehow protect the soft lure from bite marks and that stuff, but you can't protect it entirely because the pike will grab it, but under the fight the hooks will come off and you will somewhat protect the soft lure from getting stuck in the mouth and just shredded to pieces. So that's how I rig them, and all my soft lures have the pins set in, and actually the same size as these two. See, the pins are the same places, the same for the bigger model, same places. So I can just take the stinger out, unscrew it, and take another soft lure, screw in, now I've changed the soft lure, but using the same stinger. So that's kind of the point. I got another one here, set the same. So for one size I can use the same stinger on every lure. And same, this is, I think it's the same size as well. But I actually think this stinger is made for the bigger model. You see that it's a bit longer down here. So, but yeah, that's the whole point. A few stingers and a lot of soft baits to attach it to. And that's the soft bait part. It comes in different sizes, but this one is the medium size. That's the one I use the most. Then we actually have the hard baits as well. So originally it comes with split rings, but to get a better hook set ratio and prevent the pike from using the lure as leverage to break out of the troubles, we got the wire system. And it's pretty simple, just a normal homemade stinger attached with some split rings. And then we have this guy. It's for the hardbaits. Let's see if I can get it here. And it's just attached on the wire, and it just clicks in. So we actually only have one point to hold the wire system. If you got a longer jerkbait, you can use 2 points, but this works fine on these smaller jerkbaits, glide baits. And again, the pike comes up, takes the bait, shakes its head, and it comes off. And you protect the bait, and you can't the pike can't use the lure as leverage if it gets stuck and just breaks out of the hooks. So yeah, that's the hardbait release. So that's how you use them. And yeah, I think it's pretty clever. It works very well. And you can have a lot of soft baits without hooks, and you could just change the stinger. So yeah, that was it for this short video, guys. Take care.